The MEGHALAYA project implementation in Meghalaya, organized by MEGHALAYA Trust, Bengaluru, in partnership with the Education Department Government of Meghalaya and funded by Lenovo India, will be conducting a one-day training for teachers of 30 schools of East KHASI district on the 5th of May 2022 at Women's College, Shillong. Lenovo has been supporting MEGHALAYA Trust, a non-profit organization, in its aim to promote education by focusing on teacher training and STEM-based education for students within the classroom environment. The MEGHALAYA Trust, with the support of Lenovo, has been facilitating lessons for teachers in English, EVS, Social Studies and Mathematics for classes 1 to 8, where the medium of instruction is in English and the vernacular language. While giving an insight into the CSR activities of Lenovo India, Pratima Harite, Lenovo's head of philanthropy Asia Pacific region, informed on the aims and objectives of digital learning to promote e-learning, especially among students of underrepresented communities.
Schools where we will take the STEM education forward for young students in Meghalaya. So far, over the last 2 years, our program has been running not just in Meghalaya and the Northeast, but also in Karnataka and South India. Totally, we have done and reached out to about 210,000 students and 3,500 plus teachers across the country. We are very excited to take this extension forward in the current year, and tomorrow is when we will be announcing this officially with the government of Meghshala, with whom we have a tripartite agreement to take this digitization of education forward. So, as you know, the Meghshala Trust has created an application which you can download free of cost onto the phones. This is useful for both the teachers as well as the students. As part of the program implementation, Meghshala conducts teacher training, and after the official announcement, 30 teachers from Shillong will be part of the training program. Once they get trained in the program, they take that forward to the classroom and teach the children. So it complements the school curriculum and the classroom lessons, where the students get to understand more through audio-visual and voice-over lessons that are being taught in English, social science, mathematics and science, as well as EVS, both on NCERT curriculum as well as SCERT curriculum.